She said to the police now that that guy was molested her daughter.
Mm,
That holding the that foreigner was one was touching the baby private part.
mm,
She's making an story which is not true.
mm, mm.
And then
Because she wants to get the,
she wants to get
ang
money.
mga, ang mga naipundar, ganun.
She just wants to get money. She's making a story
Mm,
telling the police that the foreigner was molested in her daughter, which is it's just a story because she wants some money, anything.
mm,
She's greedy. And look what he did. What he did, the guy that is. But do you think he did it?
No, because my kids, I was with them also. My kid, my daughter, I have daughter, 15 years old.
Mm,
And when we're together, maybe it's 10 years old that time.
mm-hmm.
We slept together and did not do